Oh, baby. You're the one who took me to the know that.
Why'd you guys stop?
Because there's a camera.
So?
No! Stop!
You whipped me with your fucking headphones.
But do it again if you don't stop.
Ah, I stepped in mud. Oh, I was going through a mud puddle thingy.
Break your headphones.
Break your face.
I have more. I have an extra pair of headphones. You don't tell me what to do. Actually, never mind. I did those away. Why? Because I don't like them. They're too big for my ears. Shut up. You're the one that looks like a freaking Dumbo with big ass ears. Especially when you put on a hat.
What was that?
You look like Dumbo with your big ass ears. Especially when you put on a hat. Stop! You're lucky that wasn't breaking off.
That's a tree that hasn't even started its life. How are you going to
I'm your sister. How are you going to be so mean to me? Oh, you fucking douchebag!
Think I put up my knees? YouTube.
You guys are funny.
Stop it! No? No?
No.
Do it! You better run! I'll hit you too.
Oh, shit.
Stop! You have a weapon and you're still running from me. Oh, you bitch!
Ow.
Don't worry, you can take a nap sometime. Hey, brothers.
Bro?
Bro. You're fucking gay!